Well, hello everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Today, as we mentioned, we're going to have an asynchronous lesson, and this lesson corresponds to Wednesday, March the 25th. Okay, so we're going to start, and notice that for this lesson, the agenda is the following. The objective is to talk about different accessories for women and for men too. In point number one, of course, we are, working on unit 8, which is shopping. Then the lesson that we're going to cover in this session, in this asynchronous session, is things to buy. This is gonna be, we're gonna have just a little review of different clothes that you like. And the vocabulary for this lesson is different accessories for men and for women. And of course, we're going to have a practice after this video, and we're going to start. Now, you can perfectly speak. Okay, you can perfectly practice the speaking part, answering these questions. This is gonna be just for you. You can perfectly answer these questions, but you don't have to hand in anything. Okay, you are going to answer the questions just for you. The first one says, do you have to wear dressy clothes to college? That means university. Number two, what clothes do you have to wear today? Number three, why is she going shopping? And then you can perfectly invent here. Number four, what is Greg doing today? One person. Okay. And why are you wearing jeans to school? Okay. If by any chance you don't wear jeans to school, you can perfectly say, oh, yes, I am wearing jeans to school because this, and that. Number six, why are you buying more clothes? You have lots. Okay, so those are questions that you can perfectly answer for yourself. Now, you can pause this video and you can answer the questions orally for you, and then you can continue. Now, lesson B is things to buy. Okay, notice that we have this picture over here. You have accessories, you have purses, you have boots, you have shoes and everything. And that's what lesson B is about, things to buy. Now, let's talk about accessories. You can perfectly check. This is a cap, and let's listen to the pronunciation of those words. A cap, a belt, then we have a backpack. This is a backpack. Then we have a briefcase, briefcase. Then we have a purse, a purse. Then we have a bracelet. This is the bracelet. And then we have a ring. This is the ring. Then we have a necklace. Listen to the pronunciation. Necklace and earrings. Earrings. Then we have a coat. This is the coat. And then we have boots. Boots. Then we have a hat. This is a hat. This can be called a hat. Then we have scarf. Scarf. And then we have gloves. Gloves. And we have shoes. Those are shoes. And then we have socks. Socks. Now let's repeat. You can perfectly repeat by yourself. A cap, a belt, a backpack, a briefcase, a purse, a bracelet and a ring, a necklace and earrings, a coat and boots, a hat, a scarf, and gloves, shoes, and socks. So let's move on. Since we are talking about accessories, you know that accessories have colors. So let's talk about colors. Now, you can perfectly see here, this is white, black, red, blue, brown, green, yellow, gray, pink, orange. Those are colors, and you can combine colors with accessories. This is what we can perfectly see here. Let's look at the pictures, and now we don't have only accessories. We have the color of the accessory and of course the accessory. You can perfectly say a yellow cap because this cap is yellow. Then we have a brown belt, a gray backpack, a black briefcase, a red purse, black shoes, a pink scarf, a white coat, and a green bracelet. So you can pause the video and then you can practice pronunciation. Now it's time for you to continue with the practice. We have some practice at the end of this session, of course. So move on and you can check the practice in this presentation that I'm giving you. Thank you so much.